What is up, guys? Today we're talking about the Kodak Charmera. This is their 1987 throwback little keychain model. As we all know, it's had a lot of hype on social media, YouTube, etc. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I did an unboxing on another video up here somewhere, and it's the yellow one. It was cool, great, but I never got to do a full-on review video. So this video will go in through an unboxing as well as reviewing it. Now, as we all know, how they packaged this, you have seven different color styles you can choose from. Well, you can't really choose from, you gotta buy them all and then hope that you get a color you like. But first things first, it's an interesting camera because not only does it shoot photos, but it also can film. I know you can fit a micro SD card into it as well, and it is rechargeable via USB-C. I won't get into nitty gritty of specs just because we can read all that stuff online, and I'll display it here over my screen so you can see it. Now, what I will go over is that it has 7 filters you can choose from to have a different color style. You can choose from black and white, cold theme, warm theme, tone, not themes. You have a pixel filter that's yellow, red, blue, and gray. You can also choose from 4 different photo frames, and I'll go ahead and show you guys that in the video later in this video while we review it. We'll go over outside, take some pictures, close-ups of people, things, maybe go into Zion and check it out. But let's go and head on over to unboxing it. Alright guys, so we are here. We're not yet in Zion. We just came out outside of the neighborhood. Got the Kodak Charmera right here. And we'll get some photos. So I'm gonna do it in the normal log, I guess. No filters, no nothing. So with a 64 gigabyte SD card, I can get 70,000 photos on this thing, which is insane. Let me get my first subject here. Nix, come here. So, sit. Sit. Okay, hey, stay. Perfect. Oh, that's gonna be a great photo, guys. So we have Avery as the videographer here, and she's trying to turn the camera to see Nix, but she forgets that it's tracking my face. All right, so we are on a mountain bike trail, so we might get ran over here and there, but we do our little afternoon stroll. You've got one of the mesas out here on the left. Off to the right, you got Molly's nipple out there. You can't really see it, but get you a photograph of it. Perfect. Now, what's cool about this is, like, if we go into the black and white, so you're gonna pretty much just click these little arrows here, and you can go into different tones. So that's black and white. Oh, get Avery in it. Perfect. And then, guys, what I'm gonna do is just film about a little bit here and there, and then I'll just post it on there. So see you back home. So we are now in video mode. Here's little Nix. Oh, no! She's fast. I don't know if this even picks up audio, but can we transition? Can you imagine? This is what it would be like vlogging back in like 2002. So, yeah, guys, look at this. Such a pretty cool area here. I'm sure the stabilization's on point. I don't know if you can pick up the colors right. So here we are in the shade. Here's my face in the sun. Nice red rocks back there. Little puppy. Now that we saw what this camera can actually do, what do you think about it? It's not a Sony a7 IV, it's not a Canon, it's not a DSLR, it's not a mirrorless. It's a small little keychain camera. That's to have it always on you, which is the point of it. The best camera to have is the one that's always on your person. Yes, we have phones, we have this, but sometimes we just want to have some nostalgia in our lives. And this little thing gives us that. Now that you saw what it does, would you buy one? But guys, I felt like doing a little giveaway, so drop down below your Instagram handle, and on my next video, I will announce the giveaway winner. I'll go ahead and give away one of these cameras and have it shipped directly to your home.